Hey guys, welcome back to the Smith Euro YouTube channel. Today we're going to be taking the finished TDI Mark 1 pickup for its first test drive. Hope you guys are excited. About to drive. I'm gonna try to put you in somewhere that seems all right, but the wind's pretty bad right now, so it'll be a little noisy. I think I'm gonna probably put you up on the dash and you guys will just watch the downpipe. I'm hoping that that'll be the least noise for you guys. Working. I think on the way back we'll probably roll the windows up. It's got a ton more torque. You can just feel it. Pretty fun. Definitely we need the bigger turbo, but for right now, getting used to it, I think it'll be pretty fun. Try to put you guys in a different position, see how it goes. The nut fell off the flapper. Gotta go back home before the whole thing falls off. Pull over. How does the nut fall off the flapper? That's kind of ridiculous. There we go. Pretty good. It's not fast by any means. It's kind of fun. My blinkers aren't working, so that's something we got to look into too. The truck's doing good. It's keeping, honestly, too cold of a temperature, but it's not overheating, so I have to get back and check on a few things. Like maybe the Maybe one of the fuses blew or something, but I gotta check out why the turn signals aren't working. Hopefully it's just something dumb. Maybe I didn't plug something in on the hazard switch or something like that. It does get up and go though. It's definitely peppy. Definitely, but you do wish you had a little more. It's about what I expected. It's definitely better than the last engine. Compared to the last engine, I just feel like I have torque anywhere. Obviously it's because it's a much smaller turbo and because it has more displacement. It also has more technology as well. You got it. Here, sit back, guys.
Okay.
Here.
Okay, I'll hold this.
We're only driving around the property, okay?
Okay. Daddy, can we drive down the street?
No, we're not driving down the street.
Wow! This is like a bumpy mountain ride.
Yeah.
Let me put down my window. Yeah. Mom! Can we do a burnout? Can we do a burnout?
You gonna do a burnout?
Yep.
So that was a big success. It drove good, but we do have issues we got to address. First was the flapper falling off. Tractor Supply doesn't have really great quality control, I see. So I'll just throw a new nut and bolt in there, and I'll probably weld the nut to it so it'll never happen again, because that wasn't any time at all before that thing fell off. We have all the lights working except for the turn signal stuff. I have to go back through, see what's unplugged or what's cut. Something's probably just unplugged. So yeah, I'll get to that. I think it'll be fun to drive on the highway. It did not get hot at all, so I gotta drive it a while. It's not a hot day out today, but we gotta make sure that the fans and everything will turn on. I know it'll turn on, but I want to know that it turns on at the right temp. So we still have that to do. My wife's gonna finish detailing it out. We're gonna do that, and then we'll get to adding in the stereo system. But as of right now, guys, it's really good. We have some things that are in store for the future. We're trying to find wheels. It's hard to find 4x100 wheels for old Volkswagens because everything's basically kind of JDM stuff. So we got to get that. I have some new headlight bezels coming. We have to take the bumper off and drill the holes in the back of the shocks. That way we can push the bumper all the way in. You can see the gap right there. It's ugly. So we got to do that. Then down the road, we're gonna go to the bigger turbo. We're gonna go to a mathless tune. Then we're gonna drop the engine out and fix the engine bay stuff, issues in the engine bay, and repaint it. But that's way down the road. We did this so we can just enjoy the truck, and I think you guys saw I enjoyed it. We had plenty of fun on that test drive. It actually spun both wheels, which is kind of cool. Again, it's not the fastest thing in the world, but it should be plenty of fun for us.
It's always fast, Daddy, like your race car.
Yeah? Thanks, honey. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next one.
Rev it one time. Right over.